How to start over on your website with Squarespace. So for example, I already have in here the website that I have created and you want to actually restart with this website. What you can do is you can head over and click on three dots and you can duplicate that website first in order to retain any sensitive information. Let's head over and duplicate it. Now once you have done that, this will install this template and as you can see right here, this will load in order to create a copy of that. Once you have a copy of this, head over and click on the website option. It will open the config right here. So once the config has been opened, next thing you need to do is to just get over and then restart this. From in there, you should be able to see in here this. So what you can do is you can head over and click onto this edit site option. It will open in here this. Click on edit. And after that, you should be able to see the edit options for your site. Now in here, what we need to do is we just need to retrieve the history information of the edits that we have made for your site. So you can head over and retrieve the edit one by one, or you can also exit and then do it right here into your dashboard. Now the thing about Squarespace is that they do not offer automatic full site version history feature. So what you can do is you first need to head over and then store backups that you have made so far. You can head over right here to your home page, or you can also head over right here into your gear icon that you can see under your settings. And from in there, you can see here this developer tools. You can just scroll down and see in here the actual options for restoring your actual account into this part. You have in here the cookies, data privacy, as well as the import and export content. So if you actually have a version of your website that you wish to restore or start over, head over and click on import and then upload right here the actual content that you want to add. So that's how you actually do this on your own. Hope we help.